excited to unbox the Power WatchDog. It's a smart RV surge protector by Hughes. And you guys, you do not want to pull up to a campground pedestal without putting in a surge protector. So check this out. You can even take a sneak peek while you're at the store. They are known for this Power WatchDog feature that actually lights up, which I'm about to show you. So I'm going to pull this out of the box. One of the things that I love about this is how heavy duty it is. Check this out. This is the surge protector that I had before. You can tell the difference just by taking a look. That one got burnt. Look at the difference side by side, you guys. This is massive as far as like heavy duty. It's got so many different features on it. It's got Bluetooth. If anything were to have a surge, you remove the faulty piece from inside this box, and then you keep the whole device and the whole box. So you're not wasting your money. You do not have to go buy a whole new Power WatchDog, and then you can get that piece replaced. Now, when you get to the campground, the first thing you want to do is make sure that all of these are off, which they are. I have a 50 amp WatchDog, and I'm doing this live with you guys. So I'm going to plug this in and push it in. Takes a little bit of man strength here. And then as soon as I flip on to the 50 amp here, you're gonna see the dog light up. You guys, that's one of the coolest things. That is one of the coolest things. Now, we are just watching to make sure that everything is okay with this box. If it weren't, it would show up and it would show you that the Power WatchDog, as you can see, the dog is lit up. So people love that. That's one of the things that they are known for. If the dog was red, it would mean run from this box, go back to the front desk at the campground and let them know that they have a faulty electric box and that you want to change sites. Now, because I have a white dog, that means I am good and ready to go. I can now go ahead and get my cord and plug it into the bottom. I've got it waiting for me right here. And the first thing that I'm going to do is plug this end in. Now, you guys, one of the other things that you want to be careful of is that you can get a brown burn like I have on my old one right here if you have a loose connection. You don't want that. So when you go to plug your cord in, it has a little notch. You match it up with the notch right there. You're going to push it in and then you're going to turn it. Now, you can't just leave it like that, you guys. That's what I did when I think I got the brown mark on that one. You want to actually take this little circle and you want to make sure it's lined up correctly, and you're going to turn it until it stops turning. That's how you know that you're not going to have a loose connection. You can see it turns pretty far. So now I am good to go. I can take my other end now, go plug it into my WatchDog right here, but we know that this is a good box. Hughes Autoformers has really thought through a lot of the features that RVers are going to want to use. So for example, this is how you're going to open it up. So you take this little box, see, it's nice, everything's sturdy, has a little bit of pull, and then this actually even has a little attachment that will keep it, when you can keep it safe and clean and dry when you're not using it, and it just hangs down so you don't have to keep track of it. So then you're just going to plug in your cord. Right here, I have a 50 amp. They do also sell these in 30, you guys. And you're going to plug it in. It's nice and solid. You're going to get a good fit there. Goes right in. And then you're going to take the entire box and you're going to plug the box in right here to your 50 amp. So you can see that this is super easy to do. Just going to take the whole box and you're just going to plug it in. Now you want to start with it off. You're going to plug it in. Make sure that you still have the white dog, which I do. And then I'm going to flip it on to 50 amp and I will now have power. You guys, it's also Bluetooth. You get the app and then it will give you different things that you might need to know on the app with respect to the box and if there's any surges. But the other thing that I love about this particular product, you guys, is that most of the surge protectors on the market, they do not actually turn off. They do not turn off your appliances and turn off the power that goes to them. So this surge protector will actually turn it off so that you can save the appliances in the event of a surge, and then it will turn it back on when if the surge is gone or you no longer have the surge, it will turn it back on. So that is a great feature of this box, of this surge protector. Drop in the comments, you guys. Do you have the Power WatchDog? Do you have the Plus EPO, which is the one with the Bluetooth? What do you love about it? I can't wait to try it out. I'm so excited to get this in the mail, and I am so excited to share it with you guys so that I am now a proud Power WatchDog owner as well.